Hey guys, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be taking you today to the WYNN Hotel, Resort, and Casino in Las Vegas. Look how gorgeous this place was, like breathtaking when you walked in.
Wow.
For those of you new to my channel, I do resort reviews and tours. But I am also doing casinos now and theme parks. So if you could kindly subscribe and like this video if you're interested, that would rock. I'm staying here with my cousin Michelle. She gambles and she gets free rooms. We're from Connecticut, so we flew in and we stayed a night at Paris, and we're going to be on our way to Mandalay Bay after this dinner. That we're going to a restaurant here, which I taped called Le Cave. I believe it's Le Cave, Le Cave. I'm really not sure, but it was really good. But I'm going to take you through the casino first, and then we're going to go ahead over there, and I'm going to show you the restaurant and what we ate, and then we're going to be going back for a walk through the casino. I did not stay here, so I'm not any kind of authority on this place at all. I just want to show you what I saw when I was here, and some of my wins. Or I wouldn't even actually call them wins because I didn't do too good here. I like to film my bonuses just for anybody that's interested in seeing, like, you know, what this, because for me, it's all about the bonus. I just love playing Willy Wonka and all those machines that have, like, you know, the Big Bang factor at the end, where, like, you know, you get the pop-up thing and it makes noise and then you win like $6. But it's fun. I enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna be quiet now and let you enjoy the little walk around. Okay, now I'm going to be taking you on the web to show you the place that we ate. I believe it's called Le Cave, like we were talking about before. This place was really, really cool. It was just very sexy. The best way I could describe it. You know, it felt like kind of like a wine bar, like, and it was just had the couches you could sit on and stuff. I'm going to be showing you the menu because while I was there, I just kind of neglected to, you know, take pictures of it. On the bottom left here where I'm pointing is where they seated us. They have dinner and brunch here on the weekends. We weren't here on the weekends. We were here Monday through Friday. But if I was ever here on the weekends, I would definitely check that out because that menu looked really, really interesting and good. Here's the dinner menu right here. I'm just going to kind of go through with you. I ended up getting, it was a flatbread, steak flatbread with like a gorgonzola. It was like a cheese. Oh, I'm going to have photos of it at the end. Yeah, it was delicious. In this area of the menu, they had vegetarian, gluten-free, vegan, and also people that don't like shellfish. They had a separate menu, like a free, where you didn't have to worry about it. So that was kind of an interesting thing, because you never know what they're putting in your food. I have a sister that's allergic to, here's a brunch menu right here, to mustard. And, you know, there's so many recipes that have mustard in it, so she's a little bit nervous every time she goes out to eat. This brunch looks like it's like a bottomless thing. You would pay one price, and they allow you 90 minutes to sit and just have drinks, bottomless drinks. And this place looks like it's like a butler style where they go around and they serve you like food, like you'd go to a wedding and you would like have a little of this, little of that, opposed to like a buffet where you go get it yourself. So the suggested attire at this place is resort casual, so, you know, it's not a place you have to wear a suit. I know, like, when I go with my husband, like, he doesn't even own a tie. So it's a nice choice. Here's some of the dining rooms that you could choose to sit in. We were in the garden room. They're all uniquely beautiful. It was a really cool place. So we are now arriving, and we're going to give you a little tour of the place. Enjoy. This place for dinner. It's really nice. I ordered a flatbread pizza and a salad. Me and Michelle are splitting a salad, and she got, I don't know what she got, but this view is amazing. So delicious. I'm gonna try one. Okay, I'm back. Thank you for joining me on my dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. It was really good. It was a little pricey. The wine flight was a little surprising, because the wine flight, I figured, maybe $30, $40. It was $50, which, it's not alarming. Some of the bottles of wine there were like $1,000, so I should have probably asked, but I probably still would have got it anyway. Thought this was going to be a pretty big win, but it really wasn't. I play minimum bet though, so I never really ever hit very big. But I'm going to take you for a little walk around, and I'm going to show you some of the bonuses that I got on some of the machines that I played. So enjoy.
Triple jackpot go!
Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful. Have you ever been or stayed at the Wynn before? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I really love YouTube and like getting to meet so many people that love doing the same thing I do. My Facebook friends just don't want to see all this all the time. So it's nice to be able to share my experiences with other people. And the Wynn is so pretty. As you can see, just the attention to detail was just really super nice. And it's in a very convenient location. I would definitely love to come back here. I'm going to be now leaving you with, I'm going on the web again, and I'm showing you right here all the different restaurants that you can go to, starting with the more formal places where you would need to dress up more, going into more casual resort like the cave that I just went to. Really cool place. I really recommend it. Let me know in the comments if you dined at any of these places and how you like them. All right, I'm going to be working next. I don't know what. I have so many videos that I'm going to be working on. I just did my video of Paris, my trip in, and the whole video, including the pool and the cabanas. We went to 3 cabanas this week, and I'm going to be making videos of all of them, and I'm going to be doing a video of all the cabanas at Mandalay Bay. So, I got a lot of good stuff coming out, so look out for that, and please subscribe. That would really be great. That would really help my channel. I'm Jennifer Sparks, and I mostly do resort reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you.